Guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 3:40 p.m. and today is 5th of September 2020 and today's Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to every single person, right? Stock market is the biggest teacher to me, like I've learned everything, how to control emotions, how to, everything about life you learn in the stock market. And also from this video, I want to thank every single person who's been connected with me in whichever way, like people who are writing comments, people who are watching my videos, who are on the Telegram channel, people who are following me on the Twitter or on the Facebook, or my team. My team, is a team of young people, like these 20, 25 years old, and what an enthusiastic team that we have, and really have gratitude for each of them because I learned something. Whenever I talk to them, I learn something new. I learn from their energy that this is how youth is. So fortunate to be with all of you. Thank you so much. Right. So today, I said no better way to learn other than to learn, something about the stock market. So here I am, your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires, and Astha Trade. So today my topic is, before that, if you want to get in touch with my team, for anything, like we are almost entire day live on Telegram channel and pick up some good stocks, or sometimes we don't even trade because yesterday, we didn't get any good trades. So we just kind of sort of didn't do anything. So what I'm saying, in case you want to get in touch with my team, these are the ways you can get in touch with them. And the best way is here. You can just call up or text, or better is text and you will be answered. And this is my team. This is my Telegram channel. Be present on this, and rest of the ways to follow me wherever you want. So I have something in mind for you people today. I thought, let me just study something. So I'm going to study uh, ZEEL. The case study I'm going to do is about ZEEL. I'm going to look into the all aspect, whether it is technical or fundamental. I'm going to look into all the aspects, and hopefully that'll make a good study for you all. So here we are in the in ZEEL, right? So ZEEL had, like as all the other stock fell, even ZEEL fell, starting from um, it started falling down way before the COVID started, right? So it started falling from 2nd May 2018, then 2019 also, and in around in COVID, this was the fall in COVID. These are monthly falls, right? And just have a look at something after making, it's almost like a double bottom, right? On a monthly time frame, it's not on a smaller time frame. ZEEL has broken, I'm not liking it, right? What I've drawn is not good. So what ZEEL has done is broken this double bottom. I'm going to make it with some other this thing. This is the double bottom, right? You have a look at it. And or rather, what we can do, we can also have another way. I'm going to convert this into a line, right? So have a look at, look at this double bottom, right? Now this double bottom has been broken with good, uh, good volumes, right? See here, this double bottom, right, which ZEEL has made, has been broken with volumes, right? You can see at the backdrop, you can see volumes. So see the volumes, with volumes, this neck of the double bottom has been broken. Something more that you can look about is, if I'm just going to close it, look at the how the price has shifted in the upward direction, right? Price has been shifting in the upward direction, and this is on a monthly time frame, right? There's not a smaller time frame. So when the time frame is so big, you can expect the run to be longer, right? My time frame here is right now monthly, right? I'm going to show with the candlestick pattern, and this is 10 moving average, this is 50 moving average, and according to me, when a stock comes and stands at the 10 SMA, like it see, it tried to pierce on this last month, August month, but this month it's managing to remain above it, right? So where will be our entry? We're going to just wait for some more time and see, because there is correction in the way. Above this price, 225 or 226 is when we will take an entry into this, right? So now this is what time frame? And even if you see, RSI is also becoming strong, right? Slowly, gradually on a monthly level, the RSI is shifting in the upward direction, right? And it's crossed 40. When it crosses 40, I would like it to come down a little bit, right? What I expect, what I would love to, when do you think I will enter into it? When the stock comes little down, right? Like comes down here, and RSI takes a support here and then bounces, right? That will be my entry for this particular stock, and my level is going to be here. I don't want it to here simply to blast up, because that will be something that I would like to avoid. I would like it to take a little bit of correction in the next couple of weeks, and from here it should, once it takes a support on RSI, and if it blasts, it'll be a good trade for us. That's what I personally believe. But let's see how market goes. But right now it looks pretty decent to me, right? As I told you, it's making a double bottom, right? And if it breaks, it'll definitely be a good place for us to buy. Now let's come down to the weekly time frame and see what is happening. So this is weekly time frame. In this also, it has given a good, let me just put it here. Good breakout above, and look at the price rejection on the weekly time frame. You can see the price rejection, right? But I want it to correct a little bit, because I want my entry price. I want to be comfortable when I want to trade into it, right? So right now I'm just wanted to look correct a little bit. Let this moving average come up, right? What I want, this is my desire. Whether it happens or not, I cannot say. So this is how it should be. It should come down a little bit. uh, Please watch my video after some days as well. In case this continues, it'll come down, it'll touch this 10 SMA, take another reversal. That's when I would like to go, and the RSI should also be maybe taking the support from 60 or something. Let me just see what could be expected. So what can be expected in the weekly time frame? What I would like to do is let it come down, right? This RSI is right now at 60. Let's say it crosses up, it takes a little reversal, and then it bounces from here, right? That's what I want in 1 week time frame. And what do I want on the month daily time frame? Let me just have a look at that as well. So in monthly, I want it to come definitely down, right? I want it to come down, take a support, and then bounce back, right? Let me just draw it for you. That will help us in finding out a good trade. So I want it to come down, take a support, and then bounce again, right? So for that, stock has to correct a little bit and then take a support and bounce back. That's what I'll be waiting for. And once I see that, I will be creating an entry. Now, why should I buy ZEEL, right? So let's come down to the fundamentals. So ZEEL is the only company, right? ZEEL is the only company which is a Nifty 50 and which is an entertainment company, right? This is the only company which is belonging to the segment of entertainment, right? Or media. This is the main media company. Then second point is that if you have a look at the peers, see here, the peers which are there, what I can also do is I can check what is there in the media, what is in the media, what all stocks exist sorry exist in media sector. So on top we see it is Dish TV, Dish, ZEEL, TV Today, DB Corp, ZEEL, PVR, Sun TV Network, 18, TV 18 Broadcast. I don't know why is it here, Navneet Education, and Jagran Prakashan, Hathaway, Eros Media, and Inox Leisure. Right? I'm sure PVR should also be, PVR is also a part of it. So, but out of them, if you see here, TV 18 Broadcast P is too high, right? 237, insane. Like, I don't know why is it so high. This is also very high. 40 is also very high, but Looking at all the companies that are available, see, Sun TV is also very good competition, because there is something very attractive about TV today network, and Sun TV is basically the dividend payouts that they give. Sun TV network, TV Today network gives about 9.54% returns, right? Dividend return yield, and Sun TV gives you about this. But the structure wise, like if you look into the technicals and you look into the, gradually how the price is picking up, ZEEL looks pretty good. Now, I'm on this website called Ticker Tape, right? I have a pro version of it, and if you have a look at it, in like something that I would always, you know, decide about a particular stock whether I would like to enter into this or not, is the intrinsic value. So what it says that the this is all and best part is you can place order from here on Zerodha. So current price is less than the intrinsic value. So that is what I'm looking for. The company should not be overvalued. Then return on FD returns versus FD rates. Stock has been generating better returns on equity than bank FD. Dividend stock, that's a negative because it doesn't offer good dividends. Entry point, good time to consider a stock is not in the overbought zone, right? So this is how the ticker tape is telling us. Then no red flags, right? Stock not in ASM, GSM list, not a lot of promoters holding is pledged, and default probability is low, right? Those are the points we can definitely keep in mind. There are about 61% analysts suggest that stock can be invested. Overview, let's have a look at the overview. So this is how it's TV channels and broadcaster. Mid cap with 21,169 crore as market cap, and moderate risk, right? So the stock is 2.54 into as volatility as Nifty, right? Then PE ratio is definitely very high. PB ratio, dividend yield sector PE is negative, and whereas this PE is pretty high, right? It could be a reason, because of the COVID, the sector PE is so low, right? So that's okay. Now see here, this is revenue has gone up, but the profits have not gone up, right? See, the revenues you can see have gone up, and the profit has not gone up. Profit has declined, right? So that's a bit of concern, but I believe as lockdown will be over, or as the new serials will start, or the advertising revenue will come, the company should do well. Then low pledged promoter holding, that's a positive point, and these are the mutual funds holding. So I wanted to show you something, the holdings, right? So holding of mutual funds have gone down, right? Whereas there's a huge amount of foreign institutional holding in this particular stock, right? So, and even the promoters that whatever they are holding, the pledged percentage of that is very, very low. And what is very interesting about ZEEL is the FIIs. FIIs are pretty much invested in it, right? So be careful, when you look for a stock which has good FII investment. It simply also means that whenever the drop will come in the stock, that'll also be massive, right? So a little bit you need to be careful in such stocks, but definitely right now where it stands, it looked pretty decent to me, right? It looks very, very decent to me. It looks to be, it has crossed this barrier, right? That's a barrier which was a very, very important barrier, and look at the double bottom that it has made, right? Even I've told you about RSI is also shifting slowly, gradually in the upward direction. That shows that the stock is picking up strength. Now I don't want to invest right now. I want it to correct a little bit and take a support, let the RSI take a support, and then that's when I would like to enter into this. So that was the case study that I wanted to do. A lot of positives as far as right now ZEEL is concerned, but I just want to, with this correction which is happening right now in the market, I wanted to correct a little bit and then take a support, and then, from there move up, right? That's what I want, right? So this is what exactly I wanted to share with you. Keep it on radar, and I'm sure you will be able to judge when is the right time to invest. and hold it for some time, at least since I've done analysis starting from month, week to day. So weekly, monthly, and daily analysis. You got to hold it for about at least 3-4 months to get the good profits, right? And one point is left. What can be expected? What could be a stop loss and what can be expected, right? So stop loss can be somewhere around 200 can be a stop loss, and a first target that I can look into is going to be our entry point will be above 225, right? This is going to be our entry. Our first target is going to be 240, then 250, and after 250 it's not going to look back, right? It definitely is 260 to 80, and 300 is my target for this, but your holding period has to be good, right? So with this, I'm signing off. Take care and remain connected to Stock Pro through the Telegram channel or through the Twitter or Facebook or YouTube, wherever you want. And please write in the comment if you want any other stock to be analyzed. Just write few, like one stock of your choice. I'll be happy to do it. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep trading, and keep making profit. Be an informed investor. Be an investor who knows the market. Like this is right time. This is where I would like to take an entry. This is what my stop loss is going to be, and be an informed investor. The whole problem is people don't want to learn. People are not interested in knowing. They are interested, okay, give me a tip, right? That's what they're interested in. But trust me, when you will know, you will be way ahead of others. Bye bye, take care. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, write comments, and subscribe my channel. Please share it with others as well. Bye bye, take care.